Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Clean the dent area and dry it, then put on gloves. Apply steady heat with a hairdryer for 1-2 minutes to the dent, moving constantly so finish is not damaged. The heat expands metal fibers. That makes the dent more responsive. Once done, turn the can of compressed air upside down and spray the dent for about 10-15 seconds to blast it with cold. This thermal shock often lifts the metal back toward its original shape. After the thermal shock, observe closely and apply gentle pressure if needed. You can use a suction cup or plunger with a cloth to create a seal, then pull steadily, do not jerk. The combination of sudden cooling and controlled suction encourages the metal to spring back. If edges resist, reheat briefly and repeat the cold spray. Make sure to work gradually. Stainless steel can flex but will not tolerate excessive force, which can create creases. Once the dent is mostly gone, clean the area and polish with a stainless cleaner to restore sheen. Buff with a microfiber cloth. If a small depression remains, repeat the hairdryer then inverted canned air cycle 1 or 2 more times, short bursts only. If you see a sharp crease or the metal folds, stop. That indicates permanent deformation and requires a dent specialist with internal tools. Key troubleshooting tip: if heat/cold doesn't move the dent, avoid brute force. Seek pro dolly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.